do you keep yourself in shape? Yan ang tinatanong namin sa ating mga kabarangay sa Ginebra. Alam ko, marami na ang nag-aabang sa inyo. Kaya heto na ang mga kabarangay dito sa Winning Form.
Una na syempre, discipline. So, pag wala kang discipline, mawala ka talaga sa shape ng ano mo. Kailangan exercise. So, tapos, kahit pag after practice, kailangan din na may sarili kang workout, ganun. Hindi ka lang pwede umasa dito sa practice. So, kailangan na rin na may personal practice ka.
Well, siguro, tamang diet, then exercise practice namin, saka sacrifice hindi maiwasan kasi pagbarkada, like gimmick ka, mapainom ka. Minsan lang, pero kailangan sakripisyo talaga para naman sa katawan natin.
I'm that type of player. Aminado naman ako, I'm not as talented as the other players. So, I always have to keep in shape. I always have to work hard and do extra work. So, yun sa akin hindi naman sa PBA not necessarily magaling ka, ibig sabihin tatagal ka or ikaw magiging pinakamagaling na player. Sometimes, you might have a little talent, but if you put extra work, talagang pagpupursigihan mo yung conditioning, yung extra work sa practice, sa shooting, darating ka rin dun sa point na maunahan mo yung mga mas talented na players sa'yo.
I just, as much as I could, watch what I eat. Because if you eat a lot of junky foods, the more you eat that's bad food, the more your body gets, sluggish. So the best thing to do is make sure that when you eat the proper high carbs or protein, so you don't gain that weight that you're not using. In certain places of your body, if you eat something that's not good for you, you'll gain weight and it makes you heavy. So if you try to run or if you try to do something, your adrenaline is going to get you there, but then again, after you stop, you get tired because you're carrying extra weight around. So the best thing, number one, is for me is watch what I eat.
Walang puyat. Number one, walang puyat kasi yun ang isa sa mga kalaban na injuries Pag parati kang puyat and gaya nito, araw-araw yung practices namin, twice a day, kailangan mo talaga ng pahinga. Number one, tulog, tsaka yung diet mo, kailangan bawasan mo yung mga junk foods, mga gulay, ganyan, kailangan mo kainin mga fruits, importante yun.
Never say die attitude. Diyan nakilala ang mga taga-barangay. Kaya love na love naman sila ng mga fans because of their winning attitude and winning form. This is Shaq with my winning form. Laban ka!